I'm Dr. David Beaulieu, and I'm here with more news you can use. And once again, I would like to go over a book with you. I'd like to do a book review. My mom passed away some years ago. She was 100 years old. She didn't know anybody the last 10 years of her life. She had Alzheimer's. It wasn't pretty. And so coming from a family that has a history of Alzheimer's, I have some concerns where not just my livelihood, my life revolves around contributing to my community as a healthcare professional. And that requires that I be reasonably mentally astute. This has been a challenge for me. This was just published. This is a 2017 publication. It's the first program to prevent and reverse cognitive decline. Now, this got published back, I think, around 2014, 2015. And if it wasn't the New England Journal, it was the Journal of the American Medical Association out of UCLA, where they did this study. And all of these people had dementia. The majority of them dropped from the study because it was too difficult, because they had to take vitamins, they had to exercise, they had to do brain exercises, they had to radically change their diet. Their lifestyle was really turned upside down. But the people that stayed with this study reversed their Alzheimer's. And if you go to someone today in the medical profession who handles Alzheimer's, if you find someone who tells you that reversing Alzheimer's is possible, you found a needle in a haystack. Because what I hear in my office all the time is that's not possible. Well, it's being done. It's being done at this doctor's clinic, Dale Bredesen, and it's all in this book, The End of Alzheimer's, and I couldn't put it down. It's a phenomenal work. I think we all need to be concerned about this. And it talks about the same thing that almost all of these other books talk about. Alzheimer's, which is being called by some experts diabetes type 3, is a lifestyle disease. This is a gift we give ourselves. And it's one we can give back if we're willing to make the changes. If you've got anyone in your family with dementia, with a behavioral disease, with Alzheimer's, please read this book, The End of Alzheimer's by Dale Bredesen. It's very readable. You will be glad you did.